Hi, this is Zach Lisetsky, and this is my company, Sky Building. Our tagline is "The sky's the limit. Dream your home now." This is a construction company, residential construction company, and we build custom to semi-custom homes for clients at an affordable rate, affordable cost, to make it as easy as possible to get your dream home. We value honesty and fairness in every aspect of our business. And our vision is currently to become an industry leader in residential and commercial construction in the U.S. We do have a single owner currently, which makes everything on a personal level. However, we do plan on expanding to a corporation, so we'd be able to establish credibility, acquire certain tax advantages, and gain the ability to raise capital by selling stocks when the company expands, however. Um, some of the products and services we offer is the opportunity to build your very own home exactly the way you envision it for a very low cost at a very fast rate. Um, so this is, everything you want, low cost, fast, it's all there. Every detail in the build is fully customizable. The thing is, we have our own financing, real estate designing, development, and building team to make the process as smooth as possible. This is something that not very many have. We are a one-stop shop that offers turnkey homes. We have a team for every scope in the building process. So the entire home doesn't need to take more than 9 to 12 months between the design and build stages. Also, our pricing is probably some of the best out there because we have, project managers that only do about 4 to 5 projects at once. It makes it very easy for them to focus on the relationship that we have with our suppliers and our business partners to get the best rates out there. So our prices are lower than most in the market. However, because it is a custom home, there are certain fees and prices that we have to include. We do price our homes based on the finishes and the different decisions that the client would make, so we can have a home that ranges from 200,000 to build to $1 million. It depends on the size, the square footage, the location. So once kind of decide what you want, we were able to pull a quote for you before we even start the design process, and let you know how much it will cost. We're going to be selling our products just by word of mouth. A lot of our builds currently will have signs, and they could give us a phone call. The market, the United States holds one of the biggest construction industries in the world. Expenditures in 2017 reached 1.2 billion, and most of them are actually in San Francisco. This is a place that we're currently relying on, that we will be building in until we expand into national. But our goal is to obtain at least 50% of the market in San Francisco before we start to expand. Our target market is those that are looking for a new home, and, something that they would like of their own, and that are able to afford it. We do offer financing, so we are looking, for those with good credit history, for those that are able to make those payments. Some of the barriers that we have to entry into the market are the government side of things, the regulations. There are a lot of hoops to jump through before you can expand into a large size business. And then we're looking at changes in technology, things that are coming up, different ways that are starting to be able to build a home, and so on. Currently, the market's a little slump, so it's not a very good season to start. But very low competitors, because most of the competitors don't have an in-house design team, build team, and real estate team. Most of the time, they're all separated, so that's one advantage we have. And here are some of the strengths: our build speed. We, like I said, we usually do the build within 4 months. Design takes about 5 months, 3 to 5, I want to say. But like I said, we're all in one stop. You don't have to go anywhere else. So our weaknesses are actually the investments. We have very high interest rates because we do rely on hard money loans, which can be 10 to 15%. Our current startup cost is about $130,000. That's including all the material we would need, the office, all the office supplies, and of course the working capital, and a little bit on the side for the contingency fund. Our sales forecast is $3,050,000. This is what we're predicting, depending on some of the companies that we've looked into currently and how they are building. Our profit and loss, our running costs should be around $2,493,000. Revenue is $3,050,000, and gross profit should be $557,000. Expenses $380,105. Sorry. And the net profit is $176,895. This is what we expect from, just the lowest point. This is the worst that we expect the profit and loss to be. However, we do expect the profit and loss to rise as we get bigger. Our break-even point is $285,550. This is the least that we need to make good sales to continue and not have any financial trouble. And this is very doable as long as we stay on track. I thank you guys for watching, and hope you all have a great day.